No, I will not make this sentence as introduction. This is crazy. No.
Small
No,
sentence,
forget.
come on.
Oh, hello guys and welcome back to Unbox News. My name is Patrick Ago and this is the master of lollipops, Chupa Chups.
Yeah, that's me. Hello, guys.
Anyway, can you explain?
Yeah, you know perfectly fine, mainly.
The owner of the Chupa Chups brand, but we don't give a shit because this is not sponsored, so but
Anyway, I'm 30 years old. I can do whatever I want. I can eat all of the lollipop.
wait, you're
What?
33 years old first and then we don't give a shit. All right?
Oh,
just
thanks.
do
Yeah.
your lollipop thing. Anyway, guys, so today the unboxing in the HUAWEI Band 3E. There is the 3 Pro, but later in the video I will explain the difference. But for now, if you wanna manage everything on your wrist and you wanna combine life and sports into seamless motion, this is what you need. And it's so lightweight, 17 grams only. So, are you ready for the unboxing? Let's go! Alright, so first what you have is the manual. We don't care. Anyway. Alright. So first what you have is a kind of USB. Alright. And then this is for the shoe. This you can put it on the shoe. Then this is the main actor of our HUAWEI Band 3E. Here you have it. Then you have the screen protection right here. So this is like a touch screen. Difference between the 3E and the 3 Pro is the 3 Pro has an AMOLED touch screen. To charge it, you have like down here 2 magnets, and then you have the USB inside 2 magnets. All you have to do if you're in the office, on the laptop, power bank, anywhere, so small, you detach it and then you put it on the USB and you plug it. And that's all you have to do for charging it. This is for the shoe, we'll come back for it. And then you have different choice of colors, but I have chosen the black. I think you have the pink for girls. If you want black, I mean, I will take the pink one. But anyway, so here you have it. This is very small, tiny. The 3 Pro is like a little bigger and more stylish. All right. So this is like really good quality and very light. You see how it's like very flexible. All you have to do is to put it any way. So easy to put it on. And voila, mesdames et messieurs, the Band 3E is on my wrist and ready. But almost. All I have to do now is to connect it on the phone, but we'll show you. But before, I want to challenge this twinny brother.
Me?
Yes, you. Who else? Like, will talk to myself. I mean, sometimes I do, but anyway. So the challenge is, I want to see how many of lollipop you can put in your mouth.
Oh.
What do you think? Put as many as you can, right?
Really?
We'll come back to you later.
Oh.
So guys, we come back to the Band 3. All I have to do now is to connect it on the phone. So here you have on the display the Bluetooth name, Smart Band, and then HUAWEI Band 3E. I pair it. Alright, and then it's like a vibrate, and then you have to confirm by pressing the, you see this little rounded circle thing. You have the HUAWEI Health application connected to your Band 3E, and you are all set to get all the potential of the Band 3E. Oh, you look so funny. All you have to do now is to stay till the end of the video. Alright, can you give me like a shoe? I want to show them how to do the shoe thing.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh, you're not gonna throw it. No, 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 no. Wait, wait. No, no, no. Give it to me.
Yeah.
No. Oh. You crazy mother. You know what? I'll not kick your ass because you look funny. Anyway, I'll get the shoe. Yes. Alright, so here is. Apologize for the shoe look on the video. But anyway, all you have to do, guys, is to put this, and you see here, you have the two metallic connector. All you have to do is to remove the band 3E, then to put it here, but not now. All you have to do is to put simply as this, put it under, and then you put the 3E in the right direction, and then you see it directly detects that it is a footwear mode. To access more details from the bandwidth, from the band 3E, when you put it on the wrist, all you have to do is to slide. You have the watch, the battery level, the Bluetooth connection. You slide down, foot, how many foot you have been done, the distance, then how many calories you have burned, how many hours, minutes you have slept. So now that you have all the information that you can get from the 3E, don't forget it's like a watch, so any phone calls, any messages, you can see it on the screen. Now, let's move on the... Oh, you look tired, no? Yeah.
I'm good.
Well, what?
I'm good.
I don't get what... Oh, you're happy like this? Yeah. You know what? I don't want to count how many. Anyway, can you count how many? If you did, just comment down below. And if you like this video, just like it. Don't forget to follow us on Unbox Muse Instagram because you can have the latest technology news. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for a next video next week. Thank you and peace.